Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see what is block at first sight in Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. It applies to Microsoft Defender for Endpoint Plan 1, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint Plan 2, and Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Platform windows. What is block at first sight? Block at first sight is a threat protection feature of my next generation protection that detects new malware and blocks it within seconds. Block at first sight is enabled when certain security settings are enabled. Make sure that your cloud protection is turned on. Make sure your sample submission is configured for samples to be sent automatically. Make sure your Microsoft Defender antivirus is up to date. I will explain sample submission in the coming videos, but let me just log on to the portal and see how to turn on block at first sight with Microsoft Intune. Okay, I'm logged on to the intune.microsoft.com, which is Intune Admin Center portal. In here, you go to Endpoint Security. You click on Antivirus. Select an existing policy or create a new policy using the Microsoft Defender Antivirus profile type. On the platform, click on Windows, select a profile. Microsoft Defender Antivirus, click on Create. In here, when you are creating a, I would say, block at first sight test. Click on next. In here, make sure that your cloud protection is turned on, and you need to scroll down to submit samples consent. I'll discuss it here only. Here it is. Send all samples automatically. Okay. Now, what it does it when you enable the cloud protection. So if you'll read what it says, although I've discussed this in my previous videos as well. To best protect your PC, Windows Defender will send information to Microsoft about any problem it finds. Microsoft will analyze that information, learn more about problems affecting you and other customers. Okay. And we have also enabled submit samples automatically. Now when you do enable this, it enables the feature block at first sight by default. And how does it work? Now when Microsoft Defender Antivirus encounters a suspicious but undetected file, it queries our cloud protection backend. The cloud backend applies heuristics, machine learning, and automated analysis of the file to determine whether the files are malicious or not a threat. Microsoft Defender Antivirus uses multiple detections and prevention technologies to deliver accurate, intelligent, and real-time protection. Now, there are Microsoft Defender Advanced Threat Protection Next Generation Protection Engines, which have metadata based on ML, behavior-based ML, AMSI paired ML, which is anti-malware scan interface, integration, then file classification, machine learning, detonation-based reputation, smart rules, and then it is all happening at the cloud, right, on the Microsoft side. When it connects with the features that are available on client, which is machine learning, behavior monitoring, memory scanning, AMSI integration with AMSI paired ML models, collect the heuristics like catches malware variants or new strains with similar characteristics. It does the emulation, evaluates file based on how they would behave when run. Network monitoring as well, catches malicious network activities. All right. So when these things are combined, Now, block at first sight will block non-portable executable files such as JavaScript, VBS or macros and executable files. It will block at first sight only uses the cloud protection backend for executable files and non-portable executables. If the cloud backend is unable to make a determination, Microsoft Defender Antivirus locks the file and uploads a copy to the cloud. Okay. In many cases, this process can reduce the response time for new malware from hours to seconds. And we can specify how long a file should be prevented from running while the cloud-based protection service analyzes the file, which is the cloud block timeout period. And if you want to confirm if the block at first sight is enabled on individual client devices, you need to open the Windows Security app. You need to select Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection settings, you click on Manage Settings and confirm that Cloud Delivered Protection and Automatic Sample Submissions are both turned on. And you can turn off Block at First Sight. Though it will lower the protection state of your devices and your network, we do not recommend disabling Block at First Sight protection permanently. Okay, I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.